Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Monday.com dashboard widgets are not updating, like charts, numbers, or progress bars showing old data, don't worry. This usually happens due to board changes, widget settings, or cache issues. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check board connections. Widgets pull data from boards. Open your dashboard, click the widget, settings, make sure it's connected to the correct board and groups. Step 2. Verify columns used in the widget. Some widgets rely on specific columns like status, numbers, or date. If the column was renamed, deleted, or data type changed, the widget may fail to update. Step 3. Refresh the dashboard. Click the refresh button on the dashboard or press Ctrl+R. Sometimes data is correct but not displayed until refreshed. Step 4. Check filters applied. Widgets often have filters applied. Open widget settings and ensure filters match the data you want to see. Incorrect filters can make it appear outdated. Step 5. Clear cache and browser issues. Corrupted cache can prevent updates. Clear your browser cache or app cache and reload the dashboard. Step 6. Confirm board permissions. Make sure all boards connected to the widget are visible to you. Missing access may prevent data from displaying. Step 7. Test with a new widget. Create a new widget using the same board and data to see if it updates correctly. If it works, the old widget may be corrupted and needs to be replaced. Step 8. Contact Monday.com support. If widgets still don't update, submit screenshots to support. Sometimes back-end issues or sync errors require official fixes. Most dashboard widget issues happen due to wrong board connections, column mismatches, filters, or cache problems, and these steps fix nearly all cases. Follow these steps and your Monday.com dashboard widgets should display live accurate data again. See you in the next guide.